I'm excited to be here in Salt Lake City, Utah to test out the Atlas ATV. The Atlas ATV, in my opinion, is the coolest all-terrain vehicle on the planet. Shane and Jeff, the only authorized dealers of Atlas ATV, are taking us out on the adventure of a lifetime.
Have you ever seen actually girls being excited to get run over by a car?
I don't think so. I think we're the first.
Yeah.
Okay. However, we are going to do it.
I don't mind. Okay, this woman is officially insane.
Let's get run over.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Really close to each other. Like that. Oh my. I don't think I'm filming anything.
Now that I've been run over, it's time to head out. Our goal today is to test out the Atlas ATV in every environment possible. So first, we're headed to the mall. The inside of the Atlas is really remarkable. The seat for the driver is directly in the center of the car.
No, these are
Kind of like the McLaren F1 and the McLaren Speedtail,
there's
right?
a left and right mirror, and this is the rear view mirror.
Okay, right there.
So when you said top speed was 45, you were probably looking at this.
Yes.
Yeah, it's probably saying 57 or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, right now we're doing 12 miles an hour.
I have spent a lot of time in exotic cars, and I can tell you right now, nothing gets you looks like the Atlas ATV. Potholes? We don't care about potholes.
We don't care.
We don't care about potholes. Imagine driving down the road and seeing this beast blocking out the sun. It is intimidating. Look at those tires. They're taller than me. The surrounding windows really give you a full view of everything. Even for a 12-passenger vehicle, your visibility is without a doubt 100%. All right, time to turn into the mall, but we're not going shopping. The snow hill, you'll see that they are slightly deflated, and that's how the Atlas maneuvers over large things like that. They release the air pressure from the tires in order to maneuver over large objects comfortably. All right, size comparison time. Here we have the Atlas pulling up next to Jeff's Corvette. Looks like a little baby Corvette. Shane actually offered to drive over the Corvette so we could get, like the full monster truck experience. However, we didn't want to hurt Jeff's feelings. Time to load up and head out to the lake. Loading this bad boy is quite intimidating as well. Look, it takes up every inch, even a little more on the trailer because of those tires. They are humongous. We're about to take the Atlas into beautiful Utah Lake. really cool things about the Atlas, and the reason why it can go in the water is because the engine is in the center of the vehicle and it's completely sealed off. The only access is from inside the vehicle under the seats. We drove down the highway, we climbed over snow hills, we climbed over logs, we did donuts in the mud at the rodeo ground. Now it's time to head back in the water and wash off the day's dirt. In conclusion, after spending a whole day with the Atlas ATV, this is a vehicle that everyone needs. It's got power, it's got looks, it's got comfort. This is the perfect all-around vehicle. I can put 12 people plus luggage and go anywhere. If the world was ending tomorrow, this is the vehicle you want.